man get married right now, you know hear Trump say, Trump tap everything. So the thing she can, not, me tell her something, not, you know say, in a some place in America, even a Switzerland state, so you know say some place in America, you say like you say she rent house and them there, me, you know me believe say, also maybe, let me tell you what me believe. Me believe say, a king using document them to get that place where them a get. Because that's what she said she have a move in with king, right? Remember, I know how they use that using document and get the house, you know. It come like say a king using document, because Ivan don't have no certain, you should not have no certain type of document for renting a house. It's always people have to rent house for she. It's always people think she have to use. In fraud it seems. You understand? So you have to be king. It have to be king. You see in Switzerland here, so? And you have to rent your house by yourself. And you have to go into the agency. And you have to rent it by yourself. And you have to sign it. And your name have to depend on the box. Everything have for your name. You understand me? I saw them do a fear ID. Your ID them need. If a social pay, them need a paper for the social pay. And you have to carry in a paper so you don't own no billing, you don't have no debt. No billing at the system. The moment you have billing at the system, you can't get an apartment. That's why they take me so long to get an apartment. And I have to clean up all of the billing we did have. See, they know me get the paper, no bill, no.